Today's video is sponsored by my extraordinary talent. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a brightness and contrast node after. Bring down the saturation slider, and increase the contrast slider. Add a soft glow node after, and leave it like it is for now. Bring a wand node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Change the color space to lab. Right-click to the selection point, and select to modify it with shake. Bring a bitmap node after, and make sure the wand node is connected to the yellow point of the bitmap. Connect the bitmap to the white point of the soft glow node. Adjust the gain and the glow size to your liking. Now you can go back to the wand node, and play around with the range slider, to find out what works best for you. Once you are happy with the effect, you can add another soft glow node after the current one, and increase the glow size. Connect the bitmap node again to the white point of this second soft glow node. Last step, bring a film grain node, and increase the strength and roughness sliders. At this point you just need to go back and forth and play around with the sliders to find out what works best in your case. Let's pretend this was a long video and you made it till the end. Good job. Now give me all your money and buy my pack.